This movie will show you how to make DIY Stream Deck with Keycaps. Below you can find the link to Printables platform. Follow the link in order to download for free 3D case, the software and the design of PCB plate. Here you can find all the necessary information about the components you will need to make this project. Let's get started. Now I'm going to present a short animation that shows the whole assembly process. I believe that you can take up the DIY challenge. Stream Deck, which I called ExtenDeck, was designed in Fusion 360 program. PCB plate was designed in KiCad. The heart of the whole system is Arduino Pro Micro. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to make DIY streaming programmable keyboard. Good luck! As you can see, we've got lower part of the case and the frame. This is micro USB adapter. Now you can see 5-pin type B female connector on PCB plate and 2 M3 screws, each 4 millimeters long. Now we can see upper part of the keyboard case together with 15 Cherry MX keys. Mind that the letters in the word Cherry are facing up. At this point, you should put the heart of the Arduino Pro microsystem and solder the pins. Keep the safety measures, put on goggles to protect your eyes, and follow all the necessary health and safety regulations. Now we are going to solder so-called connector 12P raster 2.54 millimeters. It's very important to cut off protruding soldering elements, otherwise it may be difficult for you to place the PCB plate properly at the later stage of the installation. Follow the steps in the movie and please place the PCB plate. Mind it is docked correctly because this is necessary for soldering both the left and the right pin of the Cherry MX key. Be careful not to burn the case with your soldering iron. On the left you can see Type B USB connection diagram with female and male plugs. Now you need to screw the second frame and 3D housing flange. You will need 4 screws, size M, 1.6 to 8 millimeters. At this point you need to be precise and try to tighten the screws firmly and evenly. It doesn't matter what type of USB cable you use, it's just an extension. Use 2 M3 12mm size screws, tighten them firmly so they are hidden in the case. Next stage is keys assembly. Please notice that plugs need to be on the left and on the right side. You must press the keys firmly and strongly. Next, print the key icons. You can find them on GitHub platform. You can design your icons as well. Now it's time for keycaps assembly. Mind that the plugs need to be on the left and on the right side. You need to press the keycaps firmly. Best if you print the keycaps from PETG plastic, best in transparent color, then it's more flexible and durable. Due to this, you are able to create and design your own keycaps layout, which you will configure using the software. Just below in the movie description, you will see the reference to Printables website. On Printables, you can find the link to GitHub page, where you will find ready software. Follow the instructions presented in the movie. In order to configure your keyboard, you need to choose CAM, not CAM1. Next, you need to choose the modificators on the left and press the button Save the Settings. From now on, all your keyboard shortcuts are saved in EEPROM Arduino memory. You can switch off the application and the power source. The keyboard will remember the last settings, so there is no need to adjust your computer settings every time you turn it on. Finally, I'd like to present Windows +L shortcut, which blocks your computer screen. You can use Keycaps for your own private keyboard if you have Cherry MX keys.